What's up guys? Meron tayong dentist appointment today. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Papagawa tayo ng night guard. Kasi as you guys can see, masyadong straight yung teeth ko. Kasi apparently nag-grind ako at night. That's why it's so straight. So tara. Para akong baby. Alright guys, I'm all done. In-scan nila and then next week babalik ako to get the night guard and then they're gonna fit it inside my teeth, obviously my mouth, para to make sure it fits properly. So I'm gonna go to Dollarama and buy something and then head back home again. Nagtutusan tayo ni Madam na bumili ng paper towel tsaka ng candy kasi may mga sakit yung tao sa amin. Ako din, merong masakit yung throat ko. So, hopefully, gumaling na kami lahat. Si Emil actually may lagnat. Poor guy.